Hi, my name is Paul and I'm from Algebra A to Z. And today what we're going to do is we're going to look at algebra questions. So we got algebra question number 1, what is a constant? We'll work it out, discuss it together. Algebra question number 2, what is a term? Algebra question number 3, what is a coefficient? Algebra question number 4, what is an expression? And algebra question number 5, what is an equation? So all these things are so important to know the answers to. You shouldn't have to think, you should go, oh yeah, that's A, B, C, whatever the answer is. And we're going to work out the answers together. So the first one we're going to look at is algebra question number 1. What is a constant? A constant is something that doesn't change. It stays the same all the time. And the things that stay the same all the time are numbers. Simple as that, numbers. So 6 is a constant. 4 is a constant. 10 is a constant. And 8 is a constant. No matter what you do, unless you do a modification of the number, it stays the same. 8, 10, 4, and 6 are still going to stay there. So that is the answers to algebra question number 1, what is a constant? So let's look at algebra question number 2, what is a term? Okay, again, a term. Again, very, very simple. We have 3 expressions. So, algebra question number 2, what is a term? Basically, a term is 5x or 6. 2 terms in the first one here. 5x and 6. Yeah? 5x and 6. So let's get those down here. 5x and 6. 5x and 6. 5x is one term and 6. Put a comma in between, okay? Next expression. So again, the same thing. Algebra question number 2, what is a term? So the terms are simple. 6x is one term. 4 is another term. Put the little comma in. 3y is another term. And 10 is another term. Okay? Simple. Last expression. So, to answer the algebra question, what is a term, we know now what the answer is. The answer is easy. It is 4x and 8. Just 2 terms, 4x and 8. Okay? So again, simple. This is the thing about algebra. It's all simple. So let's look at algebra question number 3. What is a coefficient? And again, it's simple. So try not to think about it. You should know it. The more you know, the easier your algebra will be. So what is a coefficient? Okay, well, let's look at it. Coefficients are the number before the variable. It's as simple as that. The number before the variable. So what variables have we got? 5x is a variable. So the coefficient is 5. The coefficient here is 6. This number in front of the 6 before the x. And 3, we have 2. All these are coefficients. And this final one, again, easy, is 4. Yeah, do you agree? 4. Those are coefficients of the variables. So the answer to algebra question, what are the coefficients, are 5, 6, 3, and 4. If you concentrate on this and get to understand it, and look at an expression and just so simple. The second expression, 6x plus 4 minus 3 minus 10, 6x and 3y, 6 and 3. Simple as that. Okay, algebra question number 4. What is an expression? Well, we've been talking about expressions, but basically an expression is what you see. 5x plus 6, 6x, all these are expressions. Anything that is not a calculation is an expression. So all those are expressions. And it's 5x plus 6, 6x plus 4, minus 3y, minus 10, expression number 2. And the final algebra question, what is an expression? 4x plus 8. Not difficult. And the final algebra question, what is an equation? So think about it. The algebra question is simple. What is an equation? An equation is an expression with one thing. So let us convert an expression to an equation. So the expression is 5x plus 6. And to convert that to an equation, we go equals something, equals 1. We need a plus in the middle there that I managed to overlook. 4x plus 6 equals 1. Let's do the next one to make it easier. We'll not get this wrong. So, okay, so we got 6x. You're going to do it with me. So 6x plus 4 minus 3y minus 10. Okay, well, it can equal anything because as soon as we got the equals there, we have an equation. If there is nothing there, we assume 0. If we put something there, we assume something else. So what are we going to do? Let us put 36 there. 36. Okay? Are you happy with that? Are you doing this with me? Okay, the third expression, we're going to change it because the question is, algebra question is, what is an equation? Right, well, the algebra question is 4x plus 8 equals, okay, let's make a decision. Let's make it equal to 2 as an example, okay? 2. And we know we can actually calculate an equation. There's nothing we can do with an expression. We've converted the expression at the top to x plus 2. Remember, x plus 2? So let us do it again. Divide 4x by 4. We have x plus 4 into 8 goes 2 equals 2. What does x equal? X, you're ahead of me, way ahead of me, equals, take 2 away from both sides, and we get 0 and 0. So it equals, x equals 0. It is that simple. Is there anything difficult about this type of algebra? No, it is simple. So this is what I want you to remember. The algebra questions are, what is a constant? What is a term? Algebra question number 2, what is a term? And the term is 5x, 6, 6x, 4, 4x, 8. Those are the terms. So algebra question number 3, what are the coefficients? 5 of 5x, 6 of 6x, 3 of 3y, and 4 of 4x. So algebra question number 3, those are the answers. And then algebra question number 4, what is an expression? Well, the expressions are across the top there. 5x plus 6, 6x plus 4, minus 3y, minus 10, 4x plus 8. So the algebra question number 4 are those expressions. And what is an equation? And this is easy. So algebra question number 5, what is an equation? It's an expression with an equal sign. So 5x plus 6 equals something, and we've made it equal 1. 6x plus 4 minus 3y minus 10 equals 36. Again, not much we can do with that. But the last one, 4x plus 8 equals 2. 4x plus 8 equals 2. And even though this equation is reducible, so we reduced it to x plus 2 equals 2, therefore x equals 0. So the algebra question, what is an equation? An equation is an expression, algebra expression, which was algebra question number 4. To make it into an equation, we add an equal sign. So what we have done, we have answered 4 algebra questions. The last one being algebra question, what is an equation? You add equals to an expression and you've got an equation. This, I hope, makes you realize how simple algebra is. It should not be difficult. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell, and you'll know when I upload a new video, because we're going to do more and more of these videos. So see you soon. Thank you.